I'm saying all this to say this. I'm asking that you subscribe to my channel, support my channel, grow this channel, and I have some terrific news. If you are investing in Lordstown Motors, Foxconn finalizes $50 million stock deal with Lordstown Motors. This is going to be a quick read, but this is a fantastic thing. Over a day, Lordstown Motors was down in market share, but now they are up. They are up over $1 a share in one day. Lordstown Motors said on Wednesday that Taiwan's Foxconn has bought stock worth $50 million from the U.S. electric vehicle maker, finalizing an equity investment announced in September. Foxconn acquired the share at $6.89 a piece. Lordstown said the stock would close at $5.56 in regular trading, rose about 10% to $6.11 after the bell. In September, Foxconn said it would buy Ohio assembly plant owned by Lordstown for $230 million and take over production of the U.S. company's Endurance full-size pickup truck. Foxconn, the world's largest contract electrics maker, best known for assembling Apple's iPhone, agreed to make a down payment of $100 million by November 18th. The partnership with Foxconn would enable Lordstown Motors to significantly reduce its raw material, component, and other input costs, the company said. The deal is expected to close by April 30th, Lordstown said. Earlier in the day, Lordstown said longtime automotive industry executive Elwood Hightower would take over as president. Lordstown shares have lost more than 70% of their value this year. Remember, Lordstown was at $31 a share, and the moves that they're making behind the scenes, what they're positioning themselves to do is to get back to that $31 week high. I think at $6 a share is a phenomenal thing to get into Lordstown as soon as possible. I think that this is not a pump and dump. I think that you should get into it for the long haul. It will take time to get it back to that valuation. As you see that things take time. This $30 million deal is going to take time to get back to that point. And that point that I'm talking about is $31 a share. So this is Antonio with Team Tiggio. I wanted to make this quick video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, as we'll be coming to you with more videos just like this in the future. And once again, tell me below if you have any shares in Lordstown, or if you planning on investing in Lordstown. Put that information in below, because people in this community, we thrive off what others are doing. That'll be a big deal. Also, do you think the Hyperion was able to make some hype with Lordstown? Put that in the description below, because dialogue is what we need. I think that Lordstown is on the right track since they have changed out their executives. Now they're in the they're working with automaker who assemble iPhones in Foxconn. They put down that $100 million payment will be November 18th. So I encourage that you get into that market before the November 18th, because that information will drive this stock even higher. So once again, this is Antonio with Team Tiggio. Please like, comment, and subscribe, as I'll be coming to you with more videos just like this in the future. And once again, we will see you next time.